sending out a heartfelt wish for your strength and well-being today. Thank you for joining our community of nature lovers. There is a deep, primal comfort in the rustic aesthetic. It's the beauty of things that have lived and the grace of materials that belong to the earth. Today, we're looking at how to ground your entire home in this timeless charm, creating a seamless rustic flow from your front porch to your back fence. Let's discover how the perfectly imperfect can turn your property into a living paradise. The entrance to a home sets the tone for everything that lies within. Imagine a front gate made of heavy, silvered cedar that creaks just enough to announce your arrival. It isn't about perfection. It's about the story of the wood and the hands that built it. Flanked by sturdy stone pillars, this threshold serves as a gentle pause between the busy street and your private world. It signals to every visitor that here, time moves a little slower, and the earth is held in high regard. There is a profound sense of belonging when a garden bed is edged with irregular, sun-warmed stones. Unlike plastic or straight-edged brick, natural stone follows the contours of the land. In the front yard, these borders create a rugged frame for soft lavender and swaying grasses. They look as though they were uncovered rather than placed, grounding the house in a sense of geological history and providing a sturdy, textured boundary that feels both protective and welcoming. In the backyard, The garden should feel like a romantic memory. Imagine a heavy wooden arbor, weathered to a soft gray, sagging slightly under the weight of heirloom roses. As you walk beneath it, the scent of 100 summers fills the air. It creates a doorway into the deeper parts of the garden, a visual promise of the beauty and the quietude to come. It's a classic rustic element that turns a simple walk into a cinematic experience of nature's grace. A garden path should be more than a way to get from point A to point B. It should be an invitation to feel the earth. Imagine a winding path made of pea gravel that crunches softly under your feet, punctuated by large, flat, mossy pavers. This combination provides a sensory rhythm to your garden walk. It prevents the space from feeling too done, encouraging a wandering spirit and a slower pace that allows you to notice the small details, the dew on a leaf or the movement of a beetle. The side yard is often the forgotten transition, but in a rustic garden, it is a key chapter. Imagine a simple gateway made of reclaimed barnwood, acting as a portal between the public front and the private back. This wood carries the ghosts of its former life, nail holes and weathered grains, adding a layer of soul to the structure. It creates a sense of discovery, making the transition feel like you are being led into a beautiful, leafy secret. There is a quiet revolution happening in front yards everywhere. The return of the meadow. Imagine replacing the flat, thirsty green lawn with a tapestry of wildflowers, poppies, and native grasses. It's a wild and welcomed look that breathes life into the neighborhood. Birds and butterflies become your most frequent visitors, and the front of your home becomes a living, breathing ecosystem that changes its colors and textures with every passing month of the year. At the heart of the backyard oasis is the hearth. Imagine a circular fire pit built not from a store-bought kit, but from stones gathered from the local landscape. It feels permanent and primal. Surrounded by a few Adirondack chairs or a simple wooden bench, this space becomes a sanctuary for starlit conversations and the crackle of wood smoke. It's the ultimate gathering spot, a place where the rustic aesthetic meets the ancient human need for warmth and community. In a front yard with a small porch, we look upward to find our garden space. An old wooden stepladder, perhaps splattered with a bit of vintage paint, becomes a tiered stage for terracotta pots. Each step holds a different story: spilling ivy, bright pansies, or silverleaf succulents. It adds height and architectural interest to the front of the home, proving that a garden can exist anywhere you have a vertical surface and a bit of rustic imagination. Leaving the world of these sun-drenched meadows and cozy fire pit nooks, we carry away a renewed sense of what it means to be truly at home. In the embrace of a rustic garden, the frantic pace of the world simply falls away. Whether it's a greeting for a neighbor or a secret for yourself, may your outdoor spaces always be a source of profound peace and natural wonder. Stay well, stay inspired, and may your garden be a sanctuary for your soul.